In this video, we will learn how to create this automated product tagger using Shopify app and Gadget.dev. So if I click on this tutorial, this will take around 20 minutes, but we will try to make it quickly. We need a Shopify partner account, Shopify development store, and we need an app to create in the gadget. So let's do the first step and create the app into the gadget, then we will do the rest of the tutorial. So we will select the Shopify and the custom app, then click on continue and name it Shopify tagger application and confirm the name. Now we need to connect this with our Shopify partner account, this app. So I am logged in with my Shopify partner account. I will click on continue. I will select the organization, then click on continue. Create an app for the production environment. No, we don't need the app for the production, so we will uncheck. We will only create this for the demo purpose, so we need only the development environment. I will click on continue. Over here I need to select the product scope, so I will find the product and I will select read and write product, and you can see we have read and write products permission, as well as we need to select the data model for the products. So you can see we have the data model for the Shopify product, and then click on confirm and it will start creating the app in your partner account. Now let's install this app on your dev store. So click on install. And it will ask you the permission. Yes, so I'm okay with that, and install the app. Now we have installed the app in our Shopify dev store. This is how the app is looking right now. Let's go back to the tutorial, and we have done the step 1. Okay, now add the data model to store your keywords. So we need a data model where we can store the keyword. Based on the product description, these keyword will be added into the product automatically whenever you create or update the product in Shopify. So let's create this model and name it allowedTag. Go back to the Gadget dev and click on the models and click on the plus sign, name the model allow tags. In the schema we need to create a new field, and that field name should be keyword. So I will name it keyword, and the type would be string and the validation would be required. So we have done the second part as well, second step. Now test your allowed tag to create. How you can test your model? You can go back over here and click on the create file, and over here you can trigger the code, run this action, and it will run the action. So let's say we have sweater, and press Ctrl and enter, and it will execute the query. Now the GraphQL query is successful. We can see the data in the data model in the database. The sweater keyword is added. You can add as many as you need from here, but we will be adding them from the Shopify app frontend. So let's add another keyword, shirt, and press enter and go to the data model database. You can see the another keyword is added. The rest of them we will be adding from the Shopify application admin. The next step, add the backend logic to apply the tags. So we need to copy and paste and open this file, create.tss in the Shopify product model. So go here and click on the Shopify product model and open the create file and replace the code over here. Next, we need to go to the update file, copy this function. Don't forget to apply add the tag. Okay, we need to copy this and replace this function on the success. Copy the on the success function from the API create into the API model, so that tag will apply automatically when the code is successful. Okay, and don't forget to apply the function at the top file. Okay, let's copy this and go over here in the update function. Let me just paste that over here. We need to replace the function control X, and this is our one moment record, and this is upon our logic copy, and this is on success. Paste that over here and remove these things and import the function at the top. Okay, now the next step, we need to create a new file utils.ts in the Shopify product model. Go back to the Shopify product model and create a new file, name it utils.ts. Copy the code and paste that code over here. This is all the logic. Whenever we create the product or update the product, it will add the tag based on the product automatically. So the last step, the fourth step is to access control. We need to give access to the model. So click on the access and click on the permission, and Shopify app user allow access to Shopify app user to interact with this allowedTag model. Okay, the last step to build a Shopify admin frontend. Let's copy this and replace the code in app._.index.tsx. So go here and close the API, open the web and route and app. This is the file which is displaying this page over here. So let's replace this, and now you will see we will have a different page. We fetch all the tags which we enter into the database. We can add more tags like vent. Okay, so this tag is added automatically over here, and we get the confirmation. And if you go here in the API and go to the data, you can see we have another record. Now the final step to test your app. Now we need to test the app whenever we create the new product. Let's try to create a new product, and if any product has the description on about description word, any word from these tags, this tag will be added automatically. Right now you can see we don't have any tag, so let's try to add cool sweater and write the description over here, generate the description. So we have this keyword sweater over here. Now whenever we save the product, the tag would be added automatically. So let's try this and save the product. Product is saved, and you can see we have the sweater keyword added automatically. So if I update the description and update the product, let's say great shirt. So now this time I am updating the product, not creating the product, but I am updating the product. So let's say if it is add the tag, this time it should add the shirt tag. Product is saved, and if I reload, we have a new keyword shirt. So it is adding the tag automatically based on your description whenever you update or create the product. So this is very helpful and a very good tutorial. You can make changes according to your requirement, and I hope this video makes sense to you. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.